Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
Open the Google Calendar app and sign in with the Google account you'll use for scheduling. You'll want to grant calendar and notification permissions now so reminders and invites work reliably. Once signed in, go to Settings and choose your default calendar. This prevents events from landing in the wrong account later. Make sure sync is enabled for that account so events update automatically across devices and web. Now create your first test event. To verify, tap the plus button and choose Event to start detailed scheduling. Fill in title, date, time, and location, then add guests if others need invites. That sends email invites automatically. Use notifications to set reminders and pick a color to visually separate event types. Once done, pick the calendar view that matches your planning style, day, week, or schedule, and open the event to edit recurrence, visibility, or conferencing options. These customizations keep your agenda clear and actionable. Add widgets like Agenda or Quick Add to your home screen for instant access, and use goals, tasks, and reminders to combine personal and work items in one place. If events fail to show up, first make sure sync is enabled and you have a stable internet connection. Then confirm you're signed into the correct Google account. If problems persist, clear the app cache or remove and re-add the account. This refreshes sync tokens and usually resolves stubborn errors quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.